Hi, it's Kerry. Today we're looking at some sea monsters. They're mainly marine reptiles and you can see the big great white shark there. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like marine reptiles and sharks. The great white shark. Sharks belong to a family of fish that have skeletons made of cartilage, a tissue more flexible and lighter than bone. They breathe through a series of 5 to 7 gill slits located on either side of their bodies. All sharks have multiple rows of teeth, as you can see here, and while they lose teeth on a regular basis, new teeth continue to grow in and replace those that are lost. Shark skin is made up of a series of scales that act as an outer skeleton for easy movement and for saving energy in the water. The upper side of a shark is generally dark to blend in with the water from above, and their undersides are white or a lighter colour to blend in with the lighter surfaces of the sea from below. This helps to camouflage them from predators and prey. Can you tell me, what is a shark's skeleton made of? Is it bone or cartilage? Ichthyosaurus was a strong swimmer and surfaced to breathe air through nostrils near the top of the snout. They had sharp teeth in strong jaws and big eyes. They had 4 crescent-shaped fins and a dorsal fin and a fish-like tail. It ate fish and octopus and other sea animals. They could support themselves in the water on their fins. Coelacanth is an elusive deep-sea creature living in depths up to 2,300 feet or 700 meters. Its backbone is made of cartilage, yet it has a bony head, teeth and thick scales. Its 4 muscular limb-like fins under its body can be used like legs to support itself. There are still 2 known species alive today. They have a hinged joint in the skull, which allows the fish to widen its mouth for larger prey. They have an electrosensory organ in their snout to help detect prey. They can be quite big, reaching 6.5 feet or 2 meters in length and weighing up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. Its name means hollow spine. Temnodontosaurus. I like this one because it's got a baby with it. It would hunt other marine reptiles in the shallow seas. It had massive eyes, growing up to 10 inches or 25 centimeters across. It could grow to 40 feet or 12 meters. It had quite a long snout. Temnodontosaurus is one of the oldest and largest ichthyosaurs known to science. Fossils have been so well preserved that they can reveal stomach contents of ammonites and cephalopods like squid. Dolichorhynchops is a short-necked plesiosaur from the late Cretaceous period. Its name means long-nosed face, and it does have a very long snout. It grew up to 15 feet or 3 meters long. It used its long paddle-like flippers to move quickly through the water. Their large eyes help them spot prey. Long narrow jaws filled with 30 to 40 sharp teeth in a single row allowed Dolichorhynchops to grab its prey but not cut it. Fish and squid were swallowed whole. Hydrotherosaurus grew to 40 feet long and weighed 10 tons. It had an exceptionally long, flexible neck. It fed by moving along the ocean floor and using its long neck to poke into schools of fish and quickly pluck one. Hydrotherosaurus had long pointed teeth, but these seem to have projected more to the sides rather than just up and down. This, however, is quite a common feature seen in Piscivorous, which means fish-eating animals, where the outward pointing teeth actually increase the available catch area for trapping prey. Elasmosaurus lived in the ocean and breathed air like a turtle. It was a slow swimmer, using its flippers just like a turtle. It ate fish and other swimming animals. It had a very long neck with 4 paddle-shaped flippers, a tiny head with sharp teeth and strong jaws, and a pointed tail. It could grow to 46 feet, although half of that was just its neck. It was the long neck of Elasmosaurus that was the key to its feeding method. All Elasmosaurus would have to do was swim up to a shoal of fish, possibly from below so that it could hide its body in the slightly darker depths, and use its neck to dart its head in and pluck out a mouthful of fish. Attenborosaurus grew to about 16 feet. Its diet was mainly fish and other sea animals. It also had an extremely long neck. It only had a few large teeth for chomping down on fish. It was a plesiosaur. Attenborosaurus had a small head on its long neck, a rounded body with 4 flippers that are associated with all plesiosaurs. As Attenborosaurus approached shoals of fish, it would use its long neck to reach in and snap up a fish, the sharp teeth in the mouth giving it a good grip on its prey. Tanystropheus was 20 feet or 6 meters long, including a 10 feet or 3 meter neck. It could stand on the shore, but needed water to help support the weight of its neck and tail. It mainly walked on the seabed because it was not a good swimmer. It would sneak its head into a shoal of fish and quickly catch its prey. You can see that it's more adapted to walking than swimming. That was interesting. I'm going to just let them all swim past again. for watching my video. It really helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.